Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Libra, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. Alright Libra, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Libra, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Alright Libra, the Hangman in reverse, 3 of Pentacles in reverse, 8 of Pentacles, King of Swords, the Tower, center of my spread, 2 of Swords, the Lovers, the Judgment in reverse, and the 2 of Wands. Bottom of my deck, I have the Knight of Swords in reverse. Somebody is very frustrated. Going through a tower moment, big one. This is like smack center of my spread. Maybe they've become enlightened about something. They want to come out of a stuck place. Maybe you guys have things are not working out between the two of you. 1 second, and my light just went. Give me a second to fix that. All right, so yeah, somebody wants to talk, or they are talking, but whatever this communication they are getting or giving is leading them to a tower. Feeling rejected or blocked off. Somebody's made a decision, I think here, not to give this connection a second chance. Let's see. I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Libra, let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be first. And then we'll do the clarification. Libra and their person spirit, they could say something to each other now. What would that be? Libra and their person. Libra and their person. Libra and their person. Thank you. Take a couple more from here, Libra. Libra and their person. Libra and their person. Thank you. Alright, Libra, the first card I have here for you says, I eventually had to let you go in the physical world because the pain became too much for me to bear. My emotional, mental, and physical well-being became affected negatively. I'm still fighting my own inner demons where I felt that I wasn't good enough for you, and the guilt of wondering if I walked away too soon. That's what I thought. Somebody has decided not to give a second chance here. Somebody is walking away from this connection, and that's what the Tower is. You were always my desire, the love of my life, but I didn't tell you. It shocked the hell out of me when you told me you felt the same, as I never expected that. You're all I want, but I just don't feel good enough for you. Enough of divine timing already. You want to be with me, I want to be with you. Why can't we just get our shit together now? I cry myself to sleep thinking about all the time we've missed out on. I wish I could go back in time and change things. When I miss you, I don't have to go far. I just have to look within my heart and soul, because that's where you are. During our separation, our love has only grown stronger. I long to see you again and unite as one. Thank you for your support. I could not do this without you. I need some time to collect my thoughts. I haven't been happy for a long time. Alright, Libra, these were some of your messages. If these were resonating, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Okay, and the card I have here for you is vision. So So somebody is no longer looking at the past here. I think looking forward, say having a vision for your life, could be together, could be separately, I don't know. We'll have to check it out. I'm going to start clarifying the cards now and see who's got this vision for the future. So, Spirit, Hanged Man in reverse. What's this Hanged Man in reverse? Hanged Man in reverse. Yes, things have become very stagnant. Maybe there was an argument or a fight between you guys, Libra, because overall energy of mine was the Knight of Swords, right? This is very rash, immature behavior. Somebody could have said some rude, mean words. Somebody could have emotionally manipulated their person. And now there's been so much stagnancy that one person wants to now maybe get out of this connection altogether, because there's been no working together. That person hasn't come to apologize or offer any explanation. One more. Somebody is very embarrassed of maybe their own behavior, which they do want to now talk and clear the air about. They are missing their person. They are now wanting to open up. They want their person to open up, and what they want to tell them is actually that, hey, I do see you as my 10 of cups, I do see you as my 4 of wands. They do want to communicate this, but their embarrassment, they're not understanding how to open up now. What work can I put in to make things right? And I think this person has a problem of apologizing as well. So 8 of Pentacles. So they're trying to wonder, what can I do otherwise then to transform this connection once again? It's already ended according to both people, because maybe this offer was never given in the past of a future, of 10 of Pentacles, and this connection has already come to a total ending. But somebody does want to work on it. They're not happy. They've lost their motivation. They have taken some time out to reflect and understand what happened, why it happened. And they do want to communicate, it seems. King of Swords. King of Swords says something to us. King of Swords says something to us. King of Swords says, I do want to talk, but my person refuses to talk to me. They are so silent. I do want to talk to them. I can't sleep at night. I'm having nightmares. I keep wanting to. I'm so confused as to how to offer them this stable brand new beginning now. Because they are now the Queen of Pentacles in reverse, no longer loving, nurturing, caring as they used to be at one time. So what's the Tower then, Spirit? I'm very curious to know. What's the Tower for Libra? Or their cross watcher? Tower is clarified by the Tower. Double Tower. I need to know what this Tower means, Spirit. What's this Tower? Ooh, somebody is cutting them out. They are finding out some information. So this person is spying, waiting, watching, and they're finding out some information about maybe this Queen of Swords who they've been waiting for is kind of leaving and maybe moving on with their own life. This is what is making them very upset, very angry, and very frustrated, because they feel I'm still stuck on my person and my person is just cutting me out and leaving me behind. So 2 of Swords. 2 of Swords. Yeah, see, somebody didn't make a choice when the time was right. They were blocked off. They were pulled in 2 different directions. They couldn't make up their mind. They created such a long delay because and they could have cheated or lied or done something. This person was maybe just overly ambitious or very money-minded or greedy or something in the past, and because they created so much delay in offering love, that person could have walked away from them totally. Now that's their Tower moment. So the Lovers in reverse. Lovers in reverse. Yeah, somebody's made a choice that this person is creating too much of conflict in my life, too much of drama. I need equal give and take. I'm not going to deal with a player in my life. Because they always have to have their own way. They always make me feel less than. They always make me feel I'm not good enough for them. So I'm not going to give them a second chance. Yes, this is the this person, after cutting them off, is now regained power and control of their own life, shining very bright as the Empress. Made a decision for themselves that I am unwilling now to go back that route now. I don't want to give them a second chance. So, Two of Wands, Spirit? Two of Wands. Oh, now somebody is stuck. Somebody is stuck in... They don't know which direction to go. Oh my God, they're feeling dropped. They're feeling dropped. They're feeling extremely unhappy. They feel disappointed because they know they never really invested in the past, right? So what are they planning? Are they planning something, Spirit? They want to take action. They want to take action. They want to go and clear the air. Yes, this person is planning some move where they can go and finally now talk to their person. They want to take action. They want to do something that will heal this connection once again. But there is a Knight of Swords in reverse. This is not very mature energy. They could come in as somebody very... Let's see. Knight of Swords, Spirit, in reverse. Why is that an overall energy? They're frustrated because I think this Queen of Cups has pulled away their love. Okay, this Queen of Cups is saying, I've put a lid on that cup of love. I have no more love to give you. And that's kind of making them feel devastated. What the planning that they're doing, is how to come and woo this Empress back again. Am I right, Spirit? Yes, they want to come back, Spirit says. Six of Cups. This is a card of somebody wanting to return. Too late, but let's see. Maybe they'll manage, maybe they won't. I do see an Empress who's totally shut the chapter on them and is glowed up and moving on. That's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.